So guys, what's up? I look tired as crap. I'll just put that in my eye. But that's because I am, because we stayed up till 3, 4 in the morning on the Hooters lawnmower. It's been a few weeks since we've posted, probably a little longer than that. But basically, I had to put a racking pin in. Hopefully it works, but we're going to vlog today and just have a good time. So, let's get everything ready for the racetrack.
Yeah.
What's going on, man? What happened?
I believe all these half links we got in here keeps rubbing on this and popping the chain off.
So you gonna take another one out?
I'm gonna try and take all of them out.
Hey, you wanna put a 40, the highest 48 we got on it?
We already know what 48 looks like on it.
Yeah, but you got a lot of room here.
I guess we can.
Try. Run the heat, but don't run good. Quality, you know, in the main, we'll change it. What do you think, Aaron? Show them the good. Fancy, how you feeling today?
Feeling pretty
You hot?
good.
Look at you.
It's pretty hot.
Will, how you feeling?
Pretty good, pretty good. Mower's pouring pretty good, you know.
Steered's a little jacked up, but anyways, we're gonna sign up here. Look at these. A lot of competition here today. You scared?
Terrified.
Terrified? You scared?
Nah.
His buddy spun it on corner 1.
Yeah. Power band kicked in.
No, that was corner 2.
Yeah.
Anywho, we're gonna sign up.
Well, topped out way before the corner.
Hang on. He was topping out way too early.
Topping out way too early. But you know how I am. I give it gas till there ain't no gas.
It was screaming for help.
It was. I was putting her through hell, buddy.
So guys, that was basically the whole race. We should have filled more, but things kept breaking. His rack and pinion just kept deciding to try to delete itself. So we worked on that the whole time. It was like 90 degrees there. Chance did pretty well. We had to keep changing gears.
Yeah, it still needs a little bit of fine tuning, but.
And then he hit a rock and then broke the sprocket guards off.
Second place.
We could have rolled the chain back on
Could have.
if you wanted to finish. And then mine, of course, I won. Good race.
Second place.
So we plan on making another video this week. I'm working on them. We got to put a better rack and pinion. Do not buy $60 rack and pinions off Amazon, because guess what? They're going to break.
It didn't break.
No, but it's just
It
junk.
don't turn.
Okay, that's the point of rack and pinion. Don't turn it.
It's on there.
It's got too much play.
So guys, that's the end of that video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and check us out on TikTok, Range Slip Productions. Peace.